This channel, called Scary Interesting, generates video using AI and makes $10,000 a month. Trust me, this method does not include editing for hours and relieves you from the headache of recording a terrible voiceover like mine. In this video, I'm going to trust you with the secret, which many faceless YouTube channels use to generate unlimited viral video, just only using a video idea and a prompt.
Here are the 3 steps you need to follow to generate a viral AI video for free. Step 1. Define your niche. Okay, let's make it simple. First, find what you're into, like picking your favorite ice cream flavor. Whether it's sports, cartoons, or celebrity news, choose one. Today we're talking about scary stories, so get ready for some chills. Grab your flashlight and let's go! Step 2. Find ideas. Alright, let's think of some cool video ideas that people will love. Go to ChatGPT and ask for 10 great ideas. Once you have them, go to your writing app and paste the prompt for the video. Prompt is in the description. Now let's get specific. We want a 9-minute video for YouTube. Choose one title from the ideas ChatGPT gives you and use it as the title. Also, mention if it's for a cooking show or a cat video.
Step 3. Explore InVideo's AI magic. Let's dive into the wonder of InVideo's AI. Do you remember the link I mentioned? It's waiting for you in the description. Click on it to begin. If you're already using InVideo, just sign in. If not, it's easy to make a new account. Imagine you're stepping into a magical digital world when you enter InVideo. On the main page, you'll see buttons and options. It's simple to understand. Now, take the refined prompt we made earlier and paste it into InVideo. Then, click Generate Video with excitement. You'll need to fill out some details about your video in a box that pops up. Think of it like filling out a form online. Your video will take about 3 minutes to be ready. While you wait, grab a snack or check your phone. Once it's done, take a look at your video. If there's something you don't like, don't worry. You can use the magic box to fix it or add cool effects. Or you can try changing things yourself, like editing a photo until it's just right. You've learned how to use InVideo's AI to make awesome videos. Give it a try and let your creativity shine.